Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you exactly how to group shapes on PowerPoint in just a couple of minutes. First, click on the first shape you want to group. This can be any shape, picture, or object you have on your slide. Once you click it, you'll see selection handles appear around it. Those are the small circles or squares that show the shape is selected. Now, to add more shapes to your selection, hold down the Control key on your keyboard and keep it held down. While holding Control, click on each additional shape you want to include in the group. As you click each one, you'll see selection handles appear on all of them at the same time. Keep clicking until you've selected all the shapes you want to group together. The shapes don't need to be touching each other, they can be anywhere on the slide. Once you've got all your shapes selected, right-click on any one of the selected objects. This brings up a context menu at your cursor position. In that menu, click Group. A sub-menu appears, click Group again. And that's it, your shapes are now grouped together. You'll notice they now have a single set of selection and rotation handles around the entire group instead of around each individual shape. The grouped shapes now function as one object, so you can move them around as a unit, resize them together, or apply formatting to all of them at once. A couple of useful things to know: if you need to adjust just one shape inside the group, you can. Click on the grouped object first, then click again on the specific shape you want to edit. That lets you work with individual items without ungrouping everything. Also, keep in mind that PowerPoint won't let you group certain types of objects like placeholder text, tables, or worksheets if your group button is grayed out. That's usually why. One more thing, if you're working with SVG icons, you'll need to convert them to shapes first before you can group them. Thanks for watching. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next.